This is showing the demo set. Talker is here. This is big Y AI, and talker port connected to bridge 1. So talker port connected to bridge 1, this orange line, bridge 1, port 3. And this is a listener. Listener is big bone AI64. And listener port is connected to bridge 2, port 1. So this green line connected to bridge 2, this upper board is bridge 2, port 1. And the two bridges, that's a mini PC board with 4 ports. And lower one is bridge 1, and upper one is bridge 2. And between bridges, and port 1 and port 3 is connected as a primary connection. So that's this blue line. So from bridge 1, port 1 to bridge 2, port 3. And the other redundant line has this purple line from port 2 to port 2. This is another connection to test redundant connection. So this is a demo set.